The Blowdry Brush is super versatile. You can use it on any hair type. It's handy for controlling and smoothing textured hair. And it's heat resistant, so you can safely hold your blow dryer close to the brush. For the best results, stand directly in front of the part of the head you're drying. Hold your arms and hands in a comfortable position. Don't be afraid to raise or lower your guest's chair so you're not hunched over or reaching too high. There are 2 ways to use the Blowdry brush. 1. Focus on the scalp area. This works for highly textured or curly hair. Just brush the hair to the side and smooth out the area near the scalp. 2. Place the bristles of the brush at the scalp and pull the hair up to create a subsection that's the width of your brush. As you hold the subsection with your hand, place the brush underneath and brush it through to remove any tangles. Now turn on your blow dryer. The bristles of the Blowdry brush are made for high heat, so feel free to hold the blow dryer very close to the hair. This creates a really smooth style. With some patience, the Blowdry brush can give the same effect as a flat iron.